Hello everyone, welcome back to the Coding Desk. In our previous video, we learned what Java is and why millions of developers use it around the world. Today, we're taking the next step in our Java journey. By the end of this video, you'll know how to install Java on your computer and run your very first Java program. Let's get started. Before we can write Java programs, we need two things. First, we need the Java Development Kit, also known as the JDK. The JDK contains all the tools needed to write, compile, and run Java programs. Second, we need a code editor. A code editor helps us write and manage our code more easily. For this course, we'll use Visual Studio Code because it is free and beginner-friendly. Now let's install Java. Open your web browser and go to the official Java website. Download the latest Java Development Kit for your operating system. Whether you're using Windows, macOS, or Linux, choose the correct installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the setup instructions. The installation process usually takes only a few minutes. After installation, Java will be available on your computer. Now let's verify that Java was installed correctly. Open Command Prompt. Type the following command: Java-version. Press Enter. You should see information about the installed Java version. Now type Java-C-version. Press Enter again. If both commands display version numbers, congratulations, Java has been installed successfully. Next, let's install Visual Studio Code. Visit the official Visual Studio Code website. Download the version for your operating system. Run the installer and complete the installation process. Once installed, open Visual Studio Code. It provides a clean environment for writing Java programs. To make Java development easier, we need an extension. Inside Visual Studio Code, click on the Extensions icon. Search for Extension Pack for Java. Click Install. This package includes useful tools for Java programming. Once installed, restart Visual Studio Code if necessary. Now it's time to write our first Java program. Create a new file called helloworld.java. Type the following code: public class hello world, public static void main, string array args, system.out.println hello world. Save the file. This is the traditional first program that every Java developer writes. Let's understand what this code does. The class name is Hello World. Every Java program is organized into classes. The main method is the starting point of the program. When Java executes the program, it begins from the main method. System.out.println displays text on the screen. In this example, the output will be Hello World. Simple and powerful. Now click the Run button in Visual Studio Code. You should see the message Hello World displayed in the terminal. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Java and written your first Java program. In the next lesson, we'll learn about variables and data types, which are essential building blocks of every Java application. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Coding Desk. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.